Quidco biography. Blessed with the exponential curved body shape along with the stunning beautiful face, Anastasia Quidco is a model from Russia who is considered one of the beautiful models. Moreover, this person has enormous fan following on the social media, having over 10 million followers only on Instagram, where her fans have been even give her a nickname Russian Kim Kardashian. Who is Anastasia Quidco? The Russian model and the social media influencer Anastasia Quidco was born and raised in the Kaliningrad, Russia. Moreover, some reports said that her father is a businessman, where her mother is a school teacher, and this person has sister also. However, the name of her parent as well as her sibling are not available on media. Talking about her alma mater, she has not disclosed yet, but it is known that from an early age, the Russian want to become a model always. Not to mention, Quidco carries Russian nationality and she blogging to mix ethnicity. Anastasia Quidco age, height, body measurement and age. Each year Anastasia celebrates her birthday on the 25th of November, which means the model is the signature by her birth sign, which make her optimistic, adventurous and independent. Not to forget this Hottie is 24 years old as of now since she was born in 1994. Talking about her height, this glorious beautiful standard towering height of 5 feet 9 inches tall and weight above 65 kg. Further, Quidco wear a dress size of 12. How big her shoe size is not known. On top of that, Anastasia is the best known around the world become if her breathtaking curvaceous body, which measurement is 39, 24, 41 inch. Her amazing curved body is the main reason that pulls the people to her. To be honest, many of her fans would how she managed to build her body to look that fantastic to achieve the achievation body figure. Anastasia hit on a gym regularly and follow some specific work regime, as well as stick the certain lenses diet. Professional love. After graduating from high school, Anastasia progressed her journey in the modeling and started apply to major modeling agencies in Russia, but most of the doors of agency were shut down for her, saying that she was too fat to become a model. When her career was going nowhere, a photographer named Andrew Novak noticed her and he photographed Anastasia at first. Thereafter, her photos started to get noticed by people and led her in the photo shoot. The goal of the day in 2013, the 25 years old person moved to Morocco for more opportunities. The same year, this 5 feet 9 inches tall Quidco opened her Instagram account and started to post her amazing pictures suiting her sexy curvy body. Each image has post began to make a significant noise of her account, and even people gave her nickname Russian Kim Kardashian because of her body figure. Because of her massive fame, Anastasia started to get offers not only from Russia but always from around the world. Told her to move to US, sitting in Miami, Florida. Furthermore, this Russian smoky hot Quidco started to work with Kanye West for his clothing brand ZZ. Brother said that she even collaborated several clothing brands and often endorsed underwear also with the swimsuit clothing line, such as the EPL Diamond, Revelation of the France, GS Love Me, and several others. Personal life, boyfriend and kids. Talking about her personal life, Anastasia had kept in private. However, we managed to find some fact about this hottie's love life. Before moving to USA, this model was in a relation with the boy back home in Russia, but their romance did not last too long. Apart from that, people claim that she was romantically linked with Russian rapper Tiamiti Hobbyvate. Neither of them confirmed or denied it. Well, as per online report, the beautiful lady is dating with a man named Anastasia Shorova. As of now, Anastasia does not have any biological child. Anastasia Kvitko net worth and income. There is no denying that the Kvitko owns herself movement of the fortune in her account because as of now, this model has worked for several well-known brands and products. Besides that, this 25-year-old lady owns her swimsuit line also, so we can guess that she is going to add some impressive money in her account in the further since she is young and Kvitko has a long career ahead. Coming to 2020, this blonde bombshell site on the estimated network of 2 million. Besides that, we are sorry for inform that we don't have a detail regarding her salary, house, car and the lifestyle. Anastasia Kvitko social media reach: Instagram 10.7 million followers, Twitter 99k followers. Thank you.